Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where you are unable to access the router IP address or web interface, the graphic user interface with 192.168.1.1, then watch this video. I'll guide you through the resolution. See, 192.168.1.1 is not the universal path for opening the default gateway. Basically, the path is the default gateway of your system. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and open the command prompt window. Type ipconfig space forward slash all and hit enter. Now, in all of this list of information, you will get one information that is called the default gateway. So let us search for that. Okay. So we have the IP address and we have this IP address, and then we have the default gateway, which is 192.168.1.254. Simply copy it, go to any browser, paste it and hit enter. This is what is going to take you to the graphic user interface of the router. So it's not the same for every router and it's not the same for every computer. You can use this one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.